Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a picture background in Google Slides, the full 2026 version. It's really simple, and yeah, by the end of this, your slides will look way cleaner and more customized. So, let's jump right in. All right, first thing you want to do is open the presentation where you want to add the background image. You can open an existing file or just create a new blank slide, whatever works for you. Next, click on the slide you want to change. You can pick one slide or select multiple slides if you want the same background everywhere. Now, up at the top, click the button that says background. If you don't see it, yeah, it's usually toward the right side of the toolbar. Once the background window pops up, choose the option that says image. Here you can upload a picture from your computer, drag and drop something in, search Google Images, or pull something from Drive. After you pick the picture, give it a moment to load, and it'll apply directly to the slide. If you selected multiple slides earlier, it'll update all of them. Super easy. If you want to apply the same background to every slide, just hit the button that says Add to Theme or Apply to All. This saves a ton of time if your deck needs a consistent look, you know? And that's basically it. You've added a picture background in Google Slides using the full 2026 method. It's quick, it's customizable, and it really helps your presentation stand out. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more simple guides, and yeah, hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos.